Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to open Snaps on Snapchat Web. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe. So as you can see right here, I have sent some snaps. So when you head over and click on the save in chat, you should be able to see what the snaps look like. So it's actually a really good plan. So you just need to head over and save this in chat. You can also have the option to toggle this off right here in order to see this. So for example, let's also try this on another conversation. So we have in this right here, this actually is saved in chat, and we can head over and click on it, and as you can see, this is what it looks like up close. So when you head over and click on this on save in chat, it will actually revert back to this one, but on the recent photos it will look like this on some cases because it's actually a snap. So from in there, just head over and then just do it in order to see the photos or snaps that have been sent to you or has been sent by you. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer. Thanks.